Hey guys! Nicole here! Tara, review tayo. Okay? Join me sa aking pagre-review. Diba? Na hopefully makatulong din sa'yo kahit papano. So, ngayon, ang topic natin, guys, is about Absolute Community of Property, ACP, and Conjugal Partnership of Gains, CPG. So, ito yung medyo kapag ka sa board exam na may mga question. Kahit ako, yung sa mga mock, medyo nako-confuse ako Kaya nga medyo may ginawa akong situation type, no? Para ma-determine mo kung yung tinatanong is under ba ng ACP or CPG based on situation. So, yun yung pag-usapan natin quickly, no? There are more references online as always naman. Syempre, if you wanna really read through it, yung Family Code of the Philippines, Executive Order 209, EO 209. Right? Yun siya. Ang effectivity date noon ay August 3, 1988. So, ibig sabihin, before August 3, 1988, ang nag-govern ay Conjugal Partnership of Gains, CPG. Pero from August 3, 1988 onwards, ang default na ay ACP, Absolute Community of Property. Ngayon, based on situation, ano ba yung difference? Alright? Kapag yung property owned before marriage, bago yung kasal, kung nag-govern sa inyong marriage ay ang Absolute Community of Property, meaning to say, kinasal kayo August 3, 1988 onwards, which is ngayon naman karamihan talaga, ACP na yung nag-govern sa kanila. Yung property owned before marriage, it is considered as community property, shared. Don't get confused sa term. Pag sinabi nating community, yes, yun yung common term na alam natin, na naririnig natin na conjugal, pero the right term na po ay community. Ang tamang term na sa conjugal ay community. So, community property po ang tawag doon. Yung property owned before marriage, under Absolute Community of Property, is community or shared. Excuse me. Kung under kayo ng conjugal partnership of gains, CPG, or kinasal kayo before August 3, 1988, ang property nyo before marriage ay exclusive. So, ibig sabihin, yung babae at yung lalaki na may mga properties, nung single pa lang sila, kahit kinasal na sila, exclusive pa rin sa kanila yung properties na yun. Kabaliktaran siya sa Absolute Community of Property na yung property mo nung single ka pa, pero nung kinasal ka na under Absolute Community of Property, automatic naging community shared or conjugal property na ninyo yung mag-asawa. So, yun po siya. When it comes to property bought during marriage na, kinasal na kayo, kung ang nag-govern sa inyong marriage ay ang Absolute Community of Property, conjugal or community or shared pa rin siya. Pag conjugal partnership or CPG, it's conjugal, shared, or community, pareho. So, conjugal property. So, doon, nagkakapareho ang concept ng ACP at CPG sa property bought during marriage. Pero, pagdating sa inheritance, donation, or gift ng mag-asawa, pareho din ang ACP at ang CPG parehong exclusive property. Okay? Pagka inheritance, pinamana, dinonate na gift sa isang spouse, kanya lang yun, exclusive lang sa kanya yun. Kahit ACP pa yan, kahit CPG pa yan. Kapag naman, ang situation ay yung fruits of exclusive property, example, rent from inherited condo. Okay, so, merong condo na namana yung asawa. Yung fruits nun, renta nun, kung under ng ACP, exclusive lang yun. Doon sa kung kanino man siya. Exclusive lang yung rent, yung income rent. Pero sa CPG, Conjugal Partnership of Gains, shared yung fruits. So, yung rent income ay shared kung CPG, kahit na yung inherent building is exclusive nung spouse kung kanino man siya pinamana. Pagdating sa personal use items, for example, clothes, shoes, yung mga personal use, ganyan. Parehong exclusive. Jewelry is also exclusive, mga ganon, personal use. Kapag naman property from a previous marriage, so meron kayong previous marriage, meron kayong kids from previous marriage, whether it's ACP or CPG, your properties are exclusive. Exclusive. So, yun lang yung parang mga tricks na dapat mo ring tandaan sa board exam is pag tinanong nga kung yung bang situation sa question is that an exclusive property under absolute community of property or under conjugal property of gains, or is that a community property or a conjugal property. So yun yung mga dapat mong tandaan. Ang ginagawa ko dito, nag-check ako ng mga, for example, actually very helpful din naman si ChatGPT or si Google Gemini, manghingi ka ng kahit 10 scenarios. And then, pag-practicean mo yun, sagutan mo kung ma-identify mo ba siya, kung ACP or CPG or kung exclusive or community, ganyan. Ganun. Yun yung parang, to get familiarized. Kasi, medyo sa una, nakaka-confuse talaga siya. So, kailangan, practice test. Yun yung advice ko. So, yun lang guys, diba? Very briefly lang and focus lang doon sa topic na diniscuss ko na yun. Ano lang to ha, review purposes lang to. Hindi ko naman siya diniscuss ng complex or anything like that. Kasi syempre, pag mga ganun, sa lawyer na yun, diba? Or i-check mo na yun sa mismong batas or mag-consult ka na ng lawyer. Pero naman for review purposes lang kung ano yung pwedeng ma-share. Ma-share ko din sa inyo, diba? Pero, ayun nga, good luck sa atin guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.